Here is the video about how to migrate folders between two Cloudinary accounts. So first of all, you need to go here, this website. I will attach the link in the description. Also, you need to get these credentials from both accounts, source account and target account. You will simply find them here in settings, API keys. You can find here. Okay, so I have already put here both accounts and put the folder name here, just folder name, and click on transfer. So my 4 assets copied to another account. Here you can see in assets I have a folder projects. So now here, for now I am here, and you can see folder is copied here with all the assets. So that's the simple tool to transfer to migrate folder between two accounts of Cloudinary. Thank you.